Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and having a nice time. This is the second part of my travel vlog, so make sure to watch it till the end because I'm going to be revealing the place where I'm going to be going today. So make sure to watch it till the end and I will meet you guys on the other side of this video. You guys saw I just finished my breakfast and I just hopped into the car because we have to start our journey again. And finally my mom and dad disclosed today's destination. So we are going to Digha to spend a day. Mind you, we are returning by evening because we are not traveling with Leo. Since Leo is home alone, we have to return by evening. So make sure to watch the vlog till the end to know more. We just entered Digha. This is old Digha. All the hotels and restaurants are out here. Many hotels and restaurants. This is the main market, as you can see. And আমরা যাচ্ছি এটা হলো ট্রেন স্টেশনটা and এটা কিন্তু নিউ দীঘায়. Yes, we are going and চলে এসেছি actually নিউ দীঘাতে. We'll be staying here. And by staying I mean, okay, I just got down from the car and started vlogging again. And by staying I mean আমরা একটা হোটেল রুম বুক করেছি আম্বালেকায়, হোটেল আম্বালেকাতে, and আমরা এখানেই থাকবো আজকে for the day. So just day tour, but still we need to freshen up. So we booked a room and we will be having our lunch as well over here. So I will be giving you the entire room tour and the restaurant tour. They also have a restaurant and Hotel Ambalika is near to the train as well as the bus station. So আমি আগেও এখানে এসেছিলাম. I really love their food and the service is amazing. So let's quickly go inside and show you. তার আগে আমি বাইরে থেকে তোমাদেরকে হোটেলটা দেখিয়ে দিই. এই দেখো হোটেল, আর এটার পাশেই যেটা দেখছো সেটা হলো রেস্টুরেন্টটা কিন্তু হোটেল আম্বালেকারই রেস্টুরেন্ট. বাট লেট মি টেল ইউ সামথিং. Supposedly you come and stay at any other hotel out here at Digha, but you want to do your lunch or dinner or breakfast from the restaurant out here at Ambalika, you can do that. For that you need not avail or stay at Hotel Ambalika because we do that. Whenever we come with Leo, we actually stay at Seahawk because Seahawk is a pet friendly hotel. And we have our breakfast and lunch from Ambalika because the food out here is really good. ঘরোয়া খাবার but খুব ভালো. And now let me go to my room and give you guys room tour. Yes, lobby light gulo jalano nahi because you know not a lot of people are here right now. So lobby light gulo jalano nahi. Here it is. This is our room. So here, yeah, this is the room. Basic TV আছে, fridge আছে, sofa, and this is the bed. Yes, bedটা খুব নিট অ্যান্ড টাইডি ভাবে করা ছিল, বাট আসার পরেই ফার্স্ট যেটা হয় পা ফা ধুয়ে বিছানার ওপরে ধস্তাধস্তি করা হয়েছে বলে দেখতে পাচ্ছ একটু ইউনো এদিক ওদিক হয়ে গেছে. But this room is good enough for 2 adults to come and stay. And yeah, if you have a small kid you can also avail this room, but if you're 3 adults they will give you a different room because last time যখন আমি এসেছিলাম I came along with my elder sister as well. So me, my mom and my elder sister, we were in a different floor and we took a different room because yes, we needed 2 beds. So that was a different room and I think so I have some pictures. I will share that on Instagram later on with you guys if you want. And this is a basic room. It has a TV. Yes, Baba or Kaku already TV chaliye diyeche. So this is the basic view you get. And this is the bus stop. Ambalika is located just opposite to the Digha bus stop. So that's a very good location or a landmark. And now let me show you the bathroom. And for me that is also a very important part of the room tour. And मेरे लिए bathroom clean होना बहुत ज़रूरी है एक होटल का. Bed clean होना, bathroom clean होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So you can see it's a big bathroom, बहुत ही clean है, neat and tidy. And they also have suites available and you can avail and stay in suites also if you want. I will give you all the details in the description, so description tag but check kore niyo. So this is it, and now I will take you upstairs. That is on the 4th floor. Okay, after going to the 4th floor, you just have to take a few steps to reach the rooftop swimming pool, and they have some specific timings. So you just have to go and check at the front desk. They will give you the timing. So only at that time you can actually go and avail the swimming pool. That is it. And yes, you have to wear swimming costume if you want to, swim in the pool. They have rules and regulations that you have to follow. So, and we are not going to be swimming. Yes, it's pretty cold out here. So here it is, the swimming pool. They also have a small place you can sit out here. I will show you everything, don't worry. धीरे धीरे सब कुछ दिखाएंगे आप लोगों को. पहले pool दिखा देते हैं. I really like the rooftop swimming pool. This is lovely, and the pool is well maintained. That is a very good thing. I have never seen even a dry leaf over here. And now you people may be wondering ki kore pata ki kore porbe. There are trees, so the pool is well maintained. That's a very good thing. They clean it regularly. That is something that should be done. The pool should be cleaned regularly, and I do like it. Yeah, last time when I came, I did enjoy a hell lot out here. I spent quite a lot of time up here in their roof, but they do have a specific time. So yeah, I'm having a bit problem with my gimbal, but yeah, my sister is sitting out there. So this is the pool, and you do get a good view from here. So let me show you. Here it is. Okay, what did I want to show you? Here, over there you can see that is the train station. Yep. And this is the beach. There, exactly there you can see বাসগুলো দাঁড়িয়ে আছে. ওটা বাস স্টপের ওইদিকে পেছনের দিকটায় অনেকগুলো গাছ ফাছ দেখতে পাচ্ছ, ওটাই কিন্তু বিচটা. সো অম্বালেকা থেকে বিচটা খুব একটা দূরে না, বাট তুমি অম্বালেকার রুমগুলোর থেকে বিচ ভিউ পাবে না. দ্যাট ইজ আ প্রবলেম. That's the only problem. Otherwise everything is really good. So yes, we decided to dip our feet in the pool. Finally we couldn't resist doing that, though the water is super cold, guys. Bibhotsho thanda jolta, but still I don't know why I decided to do that. And here my sister is saying hi. Yes, she also decided. Actually okay dekhe I decided to do that. Yes, I decided to do that after watching her. So I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Yes, today there is a pleasant breeze blowing out here at Digha, and yes, I'm standing at the edge of the swimming pool, but don't worry, I'm holding to the rod so I don't fall into the pool, because I don't want to get wet, because I'm not carrying any extra clothes with me today. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, because there has been a lot of questions. আমাকে অনেক কোয়েশ্চেন জিজ্ঞেস করেছে রিগার্ডিং হোটেল আম্বালেকা. I hope I could answer all your questions in this video. তোমাদেরকে রুম ট্যুর দিয়েছি, তোমাদেরকে কি বলবো, সুইমিং পুলটা দেখিয়েছি, আরও কয়েকটা পার্ট বাকি আছে, দেখাচ্ছি তোমাদেরকে. ডোন্ট ওয়ারি অ্যাবাউট দ্যাট. অ্যান্ড যা ডেসক্রিপশনে দিয়ে দেবো আমি তোমাদেরকে অ্যাবাউট আম্বালেকা, so you can book also. And yes, my sister is saying hi, and in no way is this a paid partnership with Ambalika, but whenever I come here I do stay out here. I love the room service, I love the food, I love the ambience of the hotel, and I did upload a lot of pictures, so people did ask me a lot of questions about this, so I thought of making a vlog about Hotel Ambalika and the experience I had out here. Guys, I have to end the vlog right now because my phone's charge is dying and my mom is calling us downstairs. So meet you guys on the other part of this video. Bye bye. So I hope you all watched the second part and loved the second part. But অনেকেই হয়তো ভাবছো খুবই অ্যাব্রাপ্টলি শেষ হয়ে গেছে, মানে হঠাৎ করে শেষ হয়ে গেল। थोड़ा मिस्ट्री भी है because I did say we were being called downstairs and then I ended the vlog. Yes, I know, because ekটু mystery तो बनता है यार. So to know what happens in the third part, where we go, what we do for the rest of the day, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification because third part টা খুব তাড়াতাড়ি আসছে, and to be the first one to know when the third part comes out, just press the bell icon so you will get notified. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram as well as Twitter. All my social media links will be down in the description below. And till then, keep clicking with your soul, and I will meet you guys pretty soon on my next video. That is the third part for this travel vlog. So আর দেরি না করে চলো তাড়াতাড়ি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে দাও and wait for the third video to come out. Ta-da! Bye bye!